Every arrow of the wicked returns back to sender. Everyone appointed to death is hereby liberated. In the name of Jesus. I decree full restoration of everyone's health. The process is set in motion this hour. Before the month is over, you are completely free. I declare clarity of your eyesight, recovery of your sight if you are blind, recovery of your hearing. I cause paralysis from its roots. Stroke will no longer hold you bound. Free at last and free forever. Cancer is caused. Cancer of the breast is caused. Cancer of the colon is caused. Blood cancer is caused. Bone marrow cancer is caused. In the name of Jesus. HIV is caused. Sickle cell anemia is caused. It's settled forever.